Forewarn Weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
All right, Kim is back. It's been a very busy afternoon right now under a severe thunderstorm warning that we're keeping a close eye on.
Several of them, in fact. In the immediate area, Livingston and Washtenaw counties under severe thunderstorm warning, parts of the counties until 5 o'clock tonight. That's that yellow flashing box that you see there. But if you look north of I-69, that's where the majority of the severe weather has been throughout the afternoon, including one tornado warning that has now expired. But north of I-69, so from Lapeer over to Port Huron and north, is where we see a lot of the severe weather continuing. But now we're starting to get severe thunderstorms in our immediate area, including Livingston, Washtenaw, and even now the western parts of Oakland County, although that one cell is not severe. So let's get to it and start doing some street level mapping for you here. Webster, be on the alert as this severe thunderstorm will be in your neighborhood within the next few minutes. North of it in Green Oak, Howell and Brighton had a pretty strong thunderstorm, but not severe. So the severe cell we're watching right now is this one right here. As it tracks off to the east, it will be in Webster at 4:19. So in the next 4 minutes, South Lyon at 4:32 and Salem at 4:37. So this severe thunderstorm warning goes until 5 o'clock. Now let's take a quick stop here at a couple of thunderstorms that are not severe. The one in Brighton and Green Oak, not severe but strong, still has some hail and also high winds. Milford getting a thunderstorm right now. Now let's move up a little bit farther to the north. Romeo and Macomb getting a thunderstorm, but this cell is not severe. As I mentioned at the top of the show, this is a multi-cell event. So it's not a line of thunderstorms that we're tracking. They're individual cells that we're tracking. And the strongest ones have been up to our north of I-69. And we're keeping a close eye on a couple of them right now. The flashing boxes, severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect until 4:45. This one right here bringing us a little bit of concern in parts of Lapeer County. Now, St. Clair County in effect until 4:45 as well. But what we're watching is this right here, this hook right there. We're kind of a little concerned about this because there are some signs that there could be rotation. No tornado warning right now, but definitely watching this area. In fact, watching a lot of things across Metro Detroit, and we'll continue to see these pop up here over the next several hours. We will not be completely out of the woods until about 8 o'clock tonight when we lose that daytime heating. Tomorrow we're going to do it all over again, but tomorrow the focus will be on severe flooding. That's going to be the main concern tomorrow. So today it's wind gusts at 60 miles per hour and also 1-inch hail. Tomorrow is a forewarned weather alert day. We do expect heavy rain and possible flash flooding, which will likely affect your evening commute. 63 degrees for tonight with that thunderstorm activity continuing up until about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Showers and storms tomorrow with our high reaching 77. Very unsettled this week, but it's really today and tomorrow that we are the most concerned about severe weather. We have meteorologist Brian Sherman, meteorologist Ron Hilliard, and myself, all three of us in the Forewarned Weather Center throughout the night to keep you up to date because these warnings just keep coming in.
No, it was a really crazy afternoon. It just seemed like it was just going. You guys were on top of it.
One right after another.
All right, good. You have your gym shoes on today.
I always have my gym shoes on, but you know
she's
I'm running
around,
today.
people. You are running.
I
All
am,
right, thanks, Kim.